Hi, Evelyn.
Hi, Mommy.
What are you doing?
Cutting banana.
You're cutting banana for what?
For the banana pudding.
Oh, you're making banana pudding for us to eat tonight? Yummy. It's okay. Don't touch those. Don't touch those.
And a movie. For more room for this.
Yeah, we'll put it in here.
Can you get one on here? I got it.
Good job. Wow, you're doing nice and thin. Good job. Ah, you cut me! Just kidding.
You're scary, Mommy.
I scared you?
Uh-huh.
Good job,
You
Evelyn.
scared me by cutting. You almost made me to cut myself.
You won't cut yourself.
Way too big.
It's okay. Just try not to make it too big, okay?